Welcome to the unboxing of the Hero RC H911 Warbird Edition from the Gyrostar series. I'm pretty excited about this one here. This has got to be one of the coolest mini helicopters out there, and it just came out recently. I'm looking forward to seeing how this bad boy looks in person. As you can see right off the bat, this is a pretty different setup than a lot of the other mini helicopters out there on the market. One of the main differences is instead of an infrared remote, you got a 2.4 gigahertz remote, which I'm pretty excited about. Let's see here. Before I set this box down, we got the pretty thick manual here. Some extra parts that will probably come in handy for some of my early flights. Nice remote here with the screen. All pretty thin plastic, but HDMI charger. Always good twisties. Only one twisty on this one. Makes it nice and easy. Oh, I lied. Two twisties. My bad. There we go. Let's see, that's a little different. For the battery packs here. Two of them. As you can see, quite interesting. One thing I don't like right off the bat is the plastic bottom here. I guess it's more spongy, but I kind of like the look of the metal. Nice paint scheme here. I'm looking forward to giving this bad boy a fly. My review should be coming rather soon. I look forward to testing this out and letting you guys know just how if it flies as good as it looks. Alright?